If you didn't already know, with Healthy Hydration, we have an affiliate program. So I want to take a second here in this video to talk a little bit more about our affiliate program and why you deserve to know about it, to come into the program, to help other people. So the first thing I want to point out here is that we are all stuck in a tax system, and the tax system is geared towards employees and basically, taking all that money out of your paycheck. And then of course 40% of your paycheck goes to the government because you don't have any deductions. So the moment you have a business for yourself, which means, hey, I'm an affiliate now, and with that you get deductions. So the cell phone that I'm using right now, the product, you would be able to deduct your vehicle, your gas, membership, certain areas, if you're going to promote the water. You've got so many tax benefits traveling out of the area to a nice resort where you're going to be prospecting. I mean, you asked your tax advisor. I'm not a tax advisor, but I will tell you, after 15 years of business now, I love having a business, not being an employee. So even if you're an employee, number one thing here is get yourself business, even if it's part-time. So that's the number one advantage to affiliate marketing, is you have a business and you have tax deduction. Number two is you have time freedom. What do people really want? They want time and they want money so they can do the things that they want. And unfortunately, we are trained with the traditional school system to work for somebody else in their job and their business, and then you're creating their future. You're creating their lifestyle. And so here you get the time freedom. You get to do things you wouldn't normally do because you don't have anyone telling you got to be there. And then you're going to be able to, the third, have extra income in your life. You don't get a paycheck. You get paid on results. And so if you want to go out there and you're ambitious and you really love helping people and you talk to people every day, and we have a training system, a step-by-step system, then there shouldn't be a reason why you're not making a couple of sales a day, especially with social media, because you got all the platforms online, you got YouTube. I mean, if you don't even want to do it, you could hire someone else to do it and you could go out there. So we have a really great compensation plan, 20%. So if the cost of the product, let's just imagine here that you're going to be promoting a bottle at $250, you're going to receive 20% of $250 as an affiliate. And then right down from that, you have a 10%. And then from there is 5%. So we have 20, 10, 5. So 35% of the sale price goes out to you for a commission. So that's great, especially if you're in high ticket sales and you see these products going in people's homes and you can sell volumes of them. We can put them in retail stores and sell wholesale. There's so many different opportunities. And so we've just, changed a little bit the affiliate program in a way that we have it more balanced. We have more of a structure coming into it. You have a website you don't have to pay extra for. It's a duplicated site. You've got a tracking system. There's just so many benefits to our affiliate program. So that's something that I really wanted to bring out to you, because I know there's people out there that are struggling to even purchase the Hydra Shot because they don't have the funds, and I get it. I don't know how people could have any money if they're working a traditional job with the living expenses and everything else. It's hard. So yeah, we want to help you. We want to help you earn so that you can have a life of abundance and stop living in financial stress. Because we do have the physical stress and we also have financial stress, which will eventually affect your physical health. And so we really want to help you in that regard. So make sure that you make an appointment with one of our coaches. There should be a link down here somewhere. You can go to the website, you'll see our affiliate program. Just watch that little short video and then book an appointment. Get a hold of one of us and we'll walk you through our system. And if it's a good fit, wonderful. If not, that's okay too. But at least you gave yourself the opportunity to see a different side of life that you might not have seen before. So we're excited. So click the link below, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. We'll be talking more, of course, about hydration, hydrogen, water, and lifestyle.